Hello, in this video I want to show you how to insert batteries in Nuki Lock. And to do this, first we'll need to open a battery slot which is located right here. You need to pull on this lever and then lift up the battery slot like this. And then don't put batteries right here, I prefer to put them on this side. And we have this picture that helps us see how to insert the batteries. And by the way, you need 4 AA batteries. Now to align them, plus needs to go right here, then minus like this, and in reverse on the other side. So the minus here, plus here. Now all we have to do is just close the battery hatch and make sure to align it with the lever again. And now we can close it and our Nuki is working. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.